Am I watching UFC or baseball?
Get out of here.
Get out
Get
of
out of here.
Yeah.
This is too much.
On the run. And now
Whole team
fisticuffs.
has come on the pitch.
Namaste dosto. This video is going to be a little different from our old reaction videos. I mean to say linguistically, because we are getting a hell lot of reactions from the United States, the place which is the birthplace of the game baseball, and they really wanted us to react in English. So Sahil, which video are we going to react today?
Today we are reacting on MLB charging the mound by sporting videos too. So please subscribe to that channel also, and please subscribe to our channel also if you have not subscribed it yet. And please like the video and share it with your friends who love baseball, because we are loving it so much while reacting to the video and while learning the new sport.
Bilkul. And apart from that, this is the first time we are actually reacting in English. English is not our mother tongue, it is our secondary language over here in India. So please bear with us, and please, this is the first time, so kindly just don't be harsh with us, okay? So let's just, without any further ado, let's just start the reaction.
That's why he gets drilled here. He slams the bat. Now he's making a move, and here comes.
Wait a sec. Was it very intentional to do something
It
like
kind
this?
of felt like it was intentional. Like in cricket, we see bowlers bowl a bummer, and people say like that can be intentional, and umpires give a warning as well. And it felt like it was
Yeah,
intentional.
I mean,
If you guys have watched this match live and you know the context of it, please tell us in comments whether it was intentional or it was just honest
what is-
mistake.
Because what is happening in the game right now, I can see New York Yankees are on 10 and Boston is on 6. So probably right now in offense, it is the other team, which is the Boston, which is kind of losing right now. So probably I think that is the tactics they are using.
And that's why
But
he gets
it's
drilled.
very nasty, bro.
Here he slams the bat. Now he's making a move, and here comes. Here he comes. On the run.
Whole team has come on the pitch.
Am I watching UFC or baseball? So what is this? I mean, I'm telling you, cricket is literally.
See, all the players, management, coaching staff, everyone who is included with the team is on the pitch right now. I have never seen this kind of fight or reaction in cricket.
Exactly, cricket is very silent, bro. In front of this, this is too much.
Guys, it's too much. Excuse me, it's too much.
What is happening?
I am watching a boxing match. I am feeling
I
like
don't know what is happening. I mean, there were like straight up punches. They were like exchanging
Here he
punches,
comes.
nothing, no words, nothing at all. What was that?
And now
I think
fisticuffs.
there was some grudge he was
There
keeping.
was something there was probably something which has happened in the past of this game.
They must
so
have a
whoever has
history.
seen this game,
They must have
yeah,
an history.
yeah. Probably there is a rivalry also involved in this, or something might have has happened in this match. So please, if you know this, please comment. Yeah,
As Kelly's being tackled and punches being thrown.
punches being
Punches
thrown.
being thrown.
The dugout's empty. Here come the bullpens
Everyone
again.
is on the field.
And this time it's for real.
This time it's for real.
This is like two gangs are having a fight between
Yeah.
them. They are not playing a sport because sport is played to unite people. They are fighting like
this
that.
is kind of like East Side and West Side is having a brawl.
Unlike the last time. In a bunch
What
of-
is this unlike the last time? What is unlike the
Probably
last
they
time?
have a history, because he commentator said that unlike the last time, because there has been a history. If you know about this conflict
New York
and history,
Yankees and Boston were the two teams that were playing that
if
match.
you know anything about the
that
history
specific
related to
match,
this game,
yeah, or
please let us know in the comments. We would love to know about it.
yeah. So let's go. This is an old video.
situation. You can see this pitch coming right in at Pedro's left knee.
I
And
don't think that was intentional, but probably the ball went kind of like inside of the batter's.
situation. You can
It
see
swinged
this
us.
pitch
It
coming
swinged
right
a
in
little
at Pedro's
inside.
left knee.
But that is not a legal delivery because it was not in that
out
square.
of the box, and he didn't
Yeah.
offered a shot as
Yeah.
well. So I think it is not a legal delivery, but the batter seemed to be pissed.
Pissed. And moreover, what
A
umpire
bunt
is doing?
situation. You can see this pitch coming right in at Pedro's left knee.
There is this sort of a
This sort-
reaction. Is it something like the referee, how the referee shows the red card and says, this is your time, now you have to
this
leave the pitch?
reaction gives me this vibe only that get out of here.
Get
out of here.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
You are not allowed to stay here. Get out of here.
Yeah.
So umpire is giving that signal only,
Yeah.
and probably this is for the bowler because umpire felt that
this was
it is
something
intentional.
Yeah, this was something that he deliberately did so that he can, make sure that the batter actually loses
Gets
his momentum.
injured or gets loses his temper as well.
Yeah, exactly.
And then Pedro gets decked.
And-
And here they go.
oh, helmet!
Throwing his
Helmet.
helmet on the face. This is too much. You said in the previous reactions we were saying that baseball is kind of a ball which is kind of softer
Soft
than
ball.
cricket ball, and probably if it gets hit in your head or anywhere, you might not get that much injured. But not throwing the helmet.
You must remember that cricket match where Pujara have taken blows on his
Oh.
body and his body turned purple because of the blows as he was defending the match.
Yeah.
But here, the players are getting so
The
aggressive.
frame that I have stopped the video at the point, he has grabbed his head. What is happening? Why is baseball kind of like UFC?
This feels like a street fight. Not a international or a professional game. It feels like a street fight.
Cricket is way softer than this, I'm telling you, and
But
that's why it is called gentleman.
Exactly.
Pedro's left knee. And then Pedro gets decked. And here they go. Pedro throws his helmet
God.
at Mike Williams. And a huge pile out in the middle of the field.
Everyone is.
And whole team came.
The whole dugout is there to stop this fight or to
Stop
actually
fight.
get involved in this
They are
fight.
not coming out to stop the fight. They are coming out to increase the fight. They are punching
the
each other.
Yeah, the
This is a
involved-
street fight. They said match has gone, no problem, but we need to fight.
Yeah, no matter what will be the result, we don't give two shits to that. Whatever is going on right now, we will just take the support and we will just throw our punches to the opposition.
Then the umpires now stand back and take
Umpires
Umpire is
stand
standing
back. No one can do anything in this situation. If you go between in this situation, if you go there, it might happen that you might also get one or two punches on your face.
Yeah, absolutely. This is how we used to, even throw some, not punches, but like, sometimes in school when you are agitated with some of your teachers. So basically, we used to bring in winters, there were like shawls we used to bring. We
Or
used to
sometimes
put
blazers also.
Blazers
Like
also.
from behind their back. We used to
Yeah.
put the blazers on
and
them.
all
And
the
students and
who have
kids.
some sort of grudges from on those specific teachers, they will come and they will beat the shit out of them. Yeah. And everyone is enjoying. What is this crowd reaction? Woohoo! And no one is saying booing or anything like that because everyone enjoys fights, I guess.
This is the culture, I
This is
guess.
the
People
culture,
are
I
In the
enjoying.
middle of that pile, Pedro Martinez and Mike Williams.
Whoa! History. And Bryce Harper.
Again,
It's a piece of Hunter Strickland.
what is up with throwing your helmet to a player? Towards the player.
This is they are showing their anger towards the player, and I have never seen like this kind of anger in cricket, and even in football. I have not seen this kind of anger. I only remember
few
one
instances.
one or two instances that happens once in a decade or twice in a decade, but. In this video, I can see every time players are coming towards each other and
Yeah.
trying to punch each other
Punch
and
each
getting
other.
physical.
Getting physical, that is the biggest thing. No,
because in
verbal
sports,
argument is a very different
in
thing.
sports, we have seen that people are doing verbal arguments and they are shouting at each other, abusing each other. But this is get physical, and it is too much for us.
It is
to take.
too much.
Please do let us in the comments. Is this common?
Is this very normal? What is up with baseball having these sort of fights in between? I mean, I know probably this is a compilation of all the fights, but the way this is happening, it feels
Because-
like it's pretty normal. normal over there.
Yes, because it feels like that it is happening every 3 or 4 matches.
Yeah.
These type of things happening.
Yeah, I mean, even if you have a rivalry of sorts, you won't do something like this.
I
And-
want to know, Ashutosh,
Yeah.
whether these players in MLB are these players ever going to play with each other, or are they going
Yeah, like
to
how they will
in
exchange their
EPL,
franchises,
like in
yeah.
EPL and IPL, we have seen that player exchange their
Yeah,
franchises.
like how
and-
we have seen like transfers of players, like how Ronaldo used to play in Juventus, then he went to Manchester. So there were like changes, and you sometimes have a huge fight with some player, and then you are in the same team playing with them. So something like that.
I think MLB is also a league in
Yeah.
which international players also play, like Japanese player. I remember like
Yeah. Mexican player, Japanese player.
Mexican and American players play baseball.
Yeah.
So there must be a system that when players get
Yeah,
transferred
probably
to
the
other teams.
franchises have this system of transfer or something like that. But whatever there is, kindly let us know in the comments. Because we
And
also
if
want
you
to
know any instance where two
where
players
two
have
enemies actually are playing in the same team after the transfer.
After the huge fight, they are transferred in the same team and they played together.
Yeah.
Like they became from enemies to frenemies.
Yeah, frenemies.
Here they go.
Here they go.
Literal punches on the face. On the face.
Again, I will show you that. I'll just.
Wants a piece of Hunter Strickland. Here they go.
Literally hit him on the face.
Harper
Oh,
lands a
God.
punch. Bench is empty.
This is too much.
This is too much. This is violent.
This is wild. Baseball gone wild.
Bottom of the second inning. Youkilis is hit. It's gonna go to the-
Everyone is just
Everyone is running. If the
towards
pitcher
the
has hit them,
Huh.
they are running
How
towards
the
him.
hell have you delivered that ball that has hit me on my bum or anywhere? How dare
Here we
you?
go.
I'll show you.
Second inning.
That end bit.
Youkilis is hit, and Yuke's going to go to the mound. Here we
The
go.
helmet.
He is looking like Goldberg.
Yeah, he's looking like gold, but he was about to come and give him a spear, huh?
Goldberg spear.
But the pitcher is more
Reversal.
stronger.
Reversal.
It's going to go to the mound.
Just look at this
Here we go.
instance, huh?
Fights
The
on,
pitcher
Trevor.
used his momentum against him.
I was about to say that
Yeah.
he used his momentum against him. And everyone comes on the pitch so that the fight can't be sorted out.
Can't be sorted out, yeah. Absolutely.
This time the audience was booing.
This was this time. Yeah, we can hear audience.
they are
this
booing.
time. Yeah, they are booing. And Sahil, I want to know one thing. This sort of interruption, I don't feel like the game actually continues after this because everyone is coming on the pitch.
And
I want to know. Please comment and tell us whether the game continues or what not.
And how can one be in mood to play after such a situation, after such big fight, such big brawl?
Yeah, and I mean, in cricket, I'm telling you why it's pretty soft in front of baseball. Just like after 17 years, this guy named Lalit Modi, big shot from IPL in the beginning, he was like a big
Because he
shot.
was one of the
Founding members of the Indian
IPL.
Premier League, that is a cricketing league over here, and there was a big brawl between two of the Indian players, which is one Srishant and Bhaji Harbhajan Singh. There was a brawl after the match.
After the match.
He slapped. Srishant was slapped by Harbhajan Singh.
And that was the peak thing that happened ever in cricket, that a player slapped another player. That was the peak. Apart from that, I don't remember anything that happened on such a big scale.
Such a big scale.
But here I have seen all the videos that whole team is coming. People are throwing punches
and
not even slap. That was just one slap. And here people are throwing punches after punches.
And I don't even want to play with that player, bro. Even if a franchisee buys me, I don't even want to play with that player.
I would say I won't play.
Goes, and the pitch hits Swisher and charges him out. Swisher on his way
Oh,
out.
this was the spear.
He winds up on the bottom.
I can see other
and here
players and
come both
umpires are getting
dugouts.
involved and they are also getting a little hit.
Come both bullpens. There's a huge
I
pile
feel
on the
like
first base side of the
certainly I
mound.
am watching a rugby match.
Yeah, seriously, even I feel like these players are the players who really wanted to pursue rugby, but somehow they didn't get the place in
Their
the
father
rugby team.
said, you will not play.
I love the bat game and the ball game. You don't go with that ball game. You have to choose baseball.
Yes.
Shields.
This pitch. You saw this pitch.
This
Just
is
look at the way he threw
Pile
This
the
on
was
the first base side of the
intentional.
mound.
Just look.
This is intentional.
Yeah, this is intentional.
The first one
Broken
swinged,
out.
but this is
here we
intentional.
go.
The pitcher was ready this time.
Just bro.
Batter. Someone take that batter out.
Here we go.
They have cornered that batter. Bring that batter out.
Bro.
They have just.
What the hell?
He's out for at least 10 matches. He is out for 10 matches.
Please comment and tell what is the penalty after this, because there is a player known as Digvesh Rathi over here. So in cricket, this is such a gentlemanly game over here that even if you celebrate a little and it feels like little disrespectful towards the other person, you will get a match fee deduction. Like 90% match fee will be deducted.
Depending
You will
on
also
how
get a match
much
ban.
you can get
Just
on-
for a celebration, Sahil.
just for a celebration. Even Harshit Rana gave a flying kiss, and he was fined for 50% match fees was deducted from his match fees for that celebration, because he was celebrating his wicket and sending off
One of
batter
the batters, yeah.
to the pavilion. So here, what is the fine?
What is the fine? What is
in cricket? They give demerit points if someone does things like this. They get demerit points, and even they get banned for 1 or 2 matches, or even whole season they get banned. If something like this happens, then I think their career is finished.
Finished only, yeah. I mean, this is too much. Still, literally too much. And I'm just not able to...
Even if you remember, Ashutosh, that monkey gate happened in Australia with Harbhajan Singh and Andrew Simons, where Andrew Simon thought that Harbhajan Singh is saying to him monkey. After that, Harbhajan Singh was banned for the whole series because it was considered as a racist comment.
Yeah.
So here they are getting physical, not even racist. They are not even verbal. They are getting physical. So what is the ban, or what is the penalties they are going to face? Please let us know.
Please let us know. At least, I mean, I'm so thrilled to see all these sort of fights. I mean, this is the first time I'm seeing ever happening, like ever something like this happening in sports. So
I have not seen any sports where this type of fight is happening.
yeah.
Even in boxing, they fight
Yeah.
respectfully.
Yeah. So, but well, we will just continue. And moreover, one more thing I want to add. Being an athlete, you have to keep yourself a little, fit for the next game. What happens after this?
That guy, I don't think he can play for the next game.
Yeah.
He is playing. He is sitting on the bench.
Yeah.
He is not playing next game because
On the
literally
bench or in the hospital?
or on the hospital, because literally 5 to 7 people jumped on him.
That's just too much. That's just too much.
They are trying to bring him out.
And just like that, it turns into fight night at Fenway Park.
Just like that, it turns into a fight night. I think he said Fenley Park. I don't know.
It's just not a friendly fight.
No. Fenley Park. There is a famous stadium, I guess.
Okay.
Story against Perdomo.
Oh,
Here goes
that ball was very violent and
Gonzalez in
speedy.
Story against Perdomo.
See that ball, actually, the dust that came out.
It is 96 miles per hour. And it is hitting on your elbow.
Oh, what was that, bro?
Now pitchers are ready.
Here goes.
Wait a sec. Who
He
threw that
throws
ball?
gloves. He throws his gloves.
Look at this. And the benches have
Oh.
He was trying to save himself by running behind, and the fight was not.
He was dodging himself.
He was dodging himself.
There is a melee on the infield.
Everyone is on the field
Ball go
again.
Behind him, he threw his helmet down,
It
ran.
is very easy for all the players to get on the field in baseball. I mean, in football, all the players are involved, and in cricket, I have only seen one instance where Mahindra Singh Dhoni and Rishabh Pant, the captains, actually come
Hey,
and they
even-
protest. But that is also not allowed.
Protest, and even I've seen only MS Dhoni come on the field. After that,
just cannot come inside
Rishabh
the
Pant
field.
was outside the field, and he was giving instructions from there
Yeah.
outside the field. He was not allowed to come on the pitch. But only one instance I remember where MS Dhoni went onto the pitch and had a conversation with the umpire, but not an argument. He had a conversation, and he didn't lift his hand. Nobody lifted his
Nothing
hand.
happened. Yeah, nothing like that.
But
happened.
yeah, they are fighting like cats and dogs.
Yeah.
Toward the pitcher's mound. Perdomo threw his glove down. Bench is cleared. Here come the bullpens as well.
But here, they're going to try to send Reds over to their dugout. Farnsworth comes up and in on Wilson, who was trying to bunt. The pitch was a wild pitch.
Looks like
Wilson
a wild
got the
pitch.
worst of that one. And there were some haymakers
Spear.
landed by
Spear, I don't know
Farnsworth.
where-
There's no doubt about
WWE is very famous in America. I think they are
They
actually
are taking
watching
their inspiration from there.
from there. I am also feeling like that.
And,
Wilson
and
said
here-
something when-
and in this instance, the batter was going back, but I think there was some exchange of words which instigated the batter, and then he came towards the pitcher, and they had a fight.
Farnsworth came in because as the ball got away, he was coming in, and Wilson said something. And
Wild,
Wilson
wild
said something.
baseball.
See, he even said that.
as the ball got away,
Ball got
he
away.
was coming in, and Wilson said something. And
Watch
Oh,
out.
I
this
mean-
on head.
This is too much.
And, I think pitchers do this intentionally. That's why batters get hurt and they get sentimental and they run towards the pitcher to hit them because they are doing something intentionally.
What is
Apart
the-
from the first pitch that came on the starting of the video, which I saw that the ball swinged inside.
Yeah.
Apart from that instance, all the balls have been intentionally bowled to or pitched to hit the batter.
Yeah, I mean, I am just
Oh, yeah. There you go.
devastated to see something happening like this in a sport where you don't have to land punches on someone else's face. You're playing with
in
bat and ball.
sports, we always say that we have to show sportsman spirit, and even in cricket, after the match, there is a ritual like after match gets over. Each and every player, including support staff, coaching staff, they shake their hands so that it is a gentleman's game. It portrays that they shake their hands, and it shows sportsmanship. That game is over, and nothing is between us.
Yeah,
and
no grudges between
whatever.
us. Whatever happened on the pitch,
It
just
stays on
happened
the pitch,
Yeah.
and nothing. We don't take anything outside the field.
Yeah.
So tell us what is the ritual in baseball after the match,
and
gets
also please
over.
tell us what
because
is
in
the
tennis also
penalty.
we have seen that they shake hands.
They
after the
shake
match.
hands, and please do tell us what is the penalty, because I feel like there should be a good.
That should be a good amount of penalty.
Yeah,
for the-
because I
kind of
feel like this is something wild, and this should be not like you
And
should
this-
feel like this sort of thing should not continue in sport.
and this should not be promoted as well.
Yeah, this should not be promoted.
George. Seeley.
Oh, missed it. Oh, another player came.
There we go.
He bounced off the ground.
So he came from the other base to support
He
his
stood
friend.
to support his teammate. I really want to see two players playing for the same team after the fight.
Yeah, exactly. Even I want
As you
to
do in the National League.
Oh! Karen Pollard movement. Karen Pollard and Mitchell Stark.
for that.
Barry Lyons wrestling Pedro away
Pollard.
from Cole.
This time,
the
team
teammates
actually,
contained
yeah.
their players and they didn't let the fight escalate.
Yeah.
That was a breaking ball.
curveball for crying out loud.
That was a curveball that Pedro really ducked
That
into.
was a curveball.
Oh, that is serious throwing that bat at that pitcher.
Well, Sahil, I just cannot get over.
How wild baseball is. I just can't imagine.
Just like 3 videos ago, we were like feeling so amazing, and now we feel like we have watched a WWE match.
Literally, another sport in some other sport.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, sports is actually an invention to bring peace.
Bring
I
peace.
mean,
and
Olympics
unite
happen.
people.
Yeah.
Like even India-Pakistan is a big rivalry,
Yeah.
and often India-Pakistan cricket matches is being seen as bringing two countries together. Even in 2013, when Pakistan last visited India for a series, it was considered as a peacemaking series, so that two countries can come closer to each other, so that their presidents and prime ministers watch match together and they have a little chat during the match, and it brings people closer to each
Exactly.
other. And here we are seeing totally opposite to that.
And even in Olympics, there are a lot of instances where people are actually showing their sportsman spirit. And even when two countries are having a war, then also during that time they are like behaving themselves. So this was pretty wild for us. Which one was? I think all the moments were wild.
I can understand like that your emotions run high when you
Yeah.
are playing this kind of game, and when you are playing professional competitive game, your emotions are tend to run high in these type of situations. But I don't promote being physical.
I don't-
I think you can be verbal, you can exchange words, but being physical and running towards another player and punching him, that is not the thing that I think it's a right thing to do in a sports.
Exactly, and moreover, even when I used to play cricket as a kid, there was no moment where we used to be this physical. But whatever, is there any moment, any specific moment you want to point out and tell that you felt really like, this is too much for me to watch?
At that moment when that one batter got cornered by all the defensive team and 5, 6, 7 people jumped on him. That was the most terrible thing. I because this type of thing I've seen only in rugby, where one player is down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people pile up on that one player. And this in this sport I've seen for this for the first time. Apart from this, only in rugby I've seen, but in rugby the players are built different. They are very heavy.
They actually wear some guards,
Guards
of sorts,
also.
and their sport is actually kind of like that. But for me specifically speaking, I was just devastated to see someone throwing their helmet on a pitcher, because that is just too much. So for me,
And
that
it
was
shows disrespect as well.
disrespect, yeah. But whatever, I think you also enjoyed, or I don't know what you felt after watching this reaction of ours. But we had a lot of questions, and we really want you to answer those in the comments. Specifically speaking, please tell us about the penalty rules. So that was our reaction, and I hope you really enjoyed it. I don't know.
I hope you enjoyed it.
I
And
hope you enjoyed it.
If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel,
Please subscribe
like this
to it.
video,
Yes.
and share it with your friends as well.
Exactly.